day, Sir and Madam. I'm Melody Sainero. I'm 38 years old. I was born September 25, 1985. I'm from Ulat, Silang, Cavite, Philippines. I was married but 10 years separated. I had two kids, one son 18 years old and one daughter 12 years old. I'm high school graduate. My hobbies are dancing, playing volleyball, and reading books. I work as domestic helper in Doha, Qatar in 5 years and 3 months. My first contract, March 2015 to March 2017. And my last contract, April 2019 to July 22. I serve one couple and three kids. They are 10, 7, and 5 years old. My duties are cleaning house, washing clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, and drop and petty school, and also tutoring. I want to work in Hong Kong because no domestic violence and high salary. I want to earn money for my family needs and to support my kids. I'm good to take care newborn baby and I sing a nursery rhyme like twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, up above and up so high, like a diamond in the sky. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I'm hardworking, trustworthy, obedient, and follow the rules and regulation of my employer. I'm willing to learn to tax give me. I promise to finish my contract as we need as long my service. Thank you.